PalmPay paid me 20,000 naira for just doing almost nothing. I'm so happy. When I heard those updates, I think it was a lie until I tried it, and it paid me whooping 20,000 naira under 2 days. And I'm going to show you how I did it so that you follow me and end the same way. Christmas is fast approaching, and I know you want to know how. So stay tuned. And also, if it is your first time of coming to my channel, please and please subscribe, like, and put on notification bell so that whenever I post videos, you'll be first to get notified, because this channel is all I make my money online. There is nothing like clickbait. I'll make sure I test it first before posting it here. You understand? So if you're old subscriber, please do well to like this video so that it will get this, will push this video to more audience so that they will get to make more money too. You understand? So that's just it for now. So I tried this trick on Saturday, and I withdrew it on Sunday, get paid this morning because yesterday was weekend. I think it's because that's why they delayed my payments to this morning. I got the alert and I said, okay, I'm gonna tell you people. I'm not gonna hide this update because making free money on this line, you don't have to invest anything. The switch, yeah. We'll dive into this video now. Guys, if you're old PalmPay account user, all you have to do is to log out from that your old PalmPay account, then go and clear your storage and cache. Oh yeah, let me go and show you how to do that, how to clear your storage and cache. Let's go. First of all, either you long press the PalmPay app. By long pressing it, it will bring out app information. Some will bring out app information while some will not bring out. But if you see something like this, just click it. You understand? It will take you straight to that place. Then you click storage. Or if you did not see, if after long pressing and you did not know how to navigate it again, all you have to do is to go to your settings, click on your settings, and you will see where your apps is. Click on the apps. You will see all apps. I have 190 apps. Click on see all apps. Then you scroll and look for PalmPay. Let me just type it. PalmPay. Click it. It will bring you here. You just click storage and cache. You see my own. Okay, let me just clear my own. I've cleared the cache. Let me clear this storage. I've done that. You see it's 0 MB. Then we'll go back and click. We'll go back and click the link. If you are a new user, no need of going through all this stress. So once you are done clearing your cache and your storage as an old user, you come and click this link here. It will be on comment section and also in description. You understand? In description area it will be there. Just click the link. If you are a new user, no need of the stress. Download the app and click the link. No need of registering so that you get that paying feature. You understand? You click it. Once you click it, it will bring you here. Please don't input the number you use and create the first one. Look for new and fresh number. You understand? Look for new and fresh number. Just type your number. Let me just type random number. I'll just click it. It will bring me here. I'll click open. Then you put that mobile number again. The mobile number you put at that first place, put it again. Then they will send you the code. Just follow the process. Once you are done, all you have to do, bind your NIN or BVN immediately. bind it immediately as with your PalmPay account. Don't wait till the next, you say tomorrow or next. Bind it immediately and recharge the free 100 naira airtime they will give you. It's free. They are not collecting dime. So after you have done that, you log in into your PalmPay account. Let me just log in into my PalmPay account. I'm coming back. So this is my PalmPay account. Then let me show you the transaction that the money they paid me yesterday. You can see here I've already withdrawn the money and put in another account. You can see minus here. So they paid me this money here. Yes, this morning they paid me this money here this morning. You understand? So and I withdrew it to my other account. So once we are done registering and binding your BVN or NIN depending on what you have, you will click home. Then you will see there is two ways that you can earn here. Two ways. The first one is win big. You understand? Win big. Let me click it. It's loading. Yes. So win big, you have to refer 4 to 7 people to get this 20,000 here. You understand? You have to refer 4 to 7 people to get this 20,000 here. So it's easier to do that. You understand? Then you go back, you click this. The second way to earn is click this refer and earn. Let's click it. So this one is just either you invite 2 users, you get 3,000. You understand? Or you invite 4 users, you get 5,000. Or you invite 6 users, you get 8,000. You know the one that is better and easier for you. So that's how to end. That's how I got paid this 20,000 naira. I only did this win big and it paid me. So I'll advise you to do your own. It's just a free money. We are entering Christmas. A lot of us have money problems. We have a lot of money issues that we need to solve some certain things. I think this is the best time for you to do it. You understand? So that's just it. That's how I earn my own money, my own free 20,000 naira. So you can do yours and earn yours too. Thank you.